Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of Miss Gu and Miss Su, chapter 108. So here it is. Let's read the story. Back to Gu Shishi. A few years later, on Osaka, Japan, after the two of them are breaking off, Gu Shishi fly to Japan. And now, look at her. She was singing in front of someone. See she was humming. Also, there's a cute little dog are listening to her. Well, right now, looking at her, she looks really gorgeous with the short hair and a really cool temperament. She was still humming. Well, it turns out she has an audience, old man, and this little kid, Anda, internationally renowned musician. The little kid is the daughter of Anda, singer Lin Wang. Usishi, right now, the song is over and she's gently opening her eyes. Well, probably, you want to know how is it and how she performed well. This song is so good. Oh, Xiaojing, she looks really beautiful. Now she's been praising the lyrics haven't been finished yet, and your performance makes me suspect that lyrics will destroy the beauty of the music. Old man said, "You are enough for the song." Mr. Anda, are you kidding? It's because your music is so beautiful composed, and it's such a good effect. Right now, Xiaojing, she sit down. Mr. Anda said, "Xiaojing, you are too modest. I listened to your voice a few years ago and knew that you are born to make a living on music." For a moment, shouting, Suhishi said, "No." Oh, looking at the kid, she was really surprised also. What is said is true. Frustrating as the film career has been, music career also has been frustrated. I am able to achieve what I am today, become. Oh, shouting. She is not mad anymore. There's also Tang used recommendations back then. If he would recommended me to you. I want you to meet someone. All this involves both what your Chinese call faith and your strength. Mr. Anda said to her, right now, Xiaojing. Xiaojing, when he came here this time, besides giving you this piece of music, Xiaojing is been stunned. I want you to go back home. He was saying premonitions to everyone. Oh, does mean that she is going to send back home on China. Right now, Xiaojing, hearing this, it's really surprised her. Return back to China. Right now. Well, she seems to be surprised. Originally, the director team of Li Shitan wanted to invite Liang back to sing Premonition, but he have already decided not to sing anymore, so she did not agree. But because you have always been in Japan, the glory that you should have in China has been given to Liang Wan. Xiaojing became false. You work so long and you don't want to get the reward you deserve. So it turns out Mr. Anda wanted to send her back to be able to redeem herself. But right now she's shaking her hands. If I go back to China, don't have to face it again. Well, is she not ready to face her again? Looking at her face, she's turning pale. Hearing Suhishi, of course, maybe she got really afraid of. Right now, into the eyes of income. Mr. Anda, right now, she was looking at Xiaojing, and it seems that he cannot accept. Xiaojing would reject his proposal. Sorry, Xiaojing, I don't want to let an excellent singer leave behind the scene. Well, Mr. Anda has a point. Right now, Xiaojing, there are some things you have been hiding from too long. Well, another correct from Mr. Anda. You helped me complete this matter, the cost of composing this new song, the kindness of promoting it over the past few years, will be already offset. Well, the old man seems to be tricky. That's it, it's settled. It's time for me to leave. Now the old man get up. For a while, I will go to Europe. Right now, the little kid said bye to her dad, now shouting. Wait, Anda, can I ask you one last question? Few years ago, China Entertainment International approached composed music for me. Why were you willing to agree? Of course, she got really curious again. Judging, she was really hesitating. Don't seems to like composing music for anyone other than Sister Lingwan. Right now, Mr. Anda, this question, please go back to your country and find the answer yourself. Oh, the old man is really tricky, and it really makes sense to Xiaojing. Right now, Xiaojing, on a glimpse, she was still murmuring. Of course, she don't want to go back to China, but she can do anything but just to follow the orders of Mr. Anda. Exclusive. It's a new drama about the team of now Xiaojing. Although his manager responded that he was just too tired, Suhishi was admitted to the city hospital this morning. His manager responded that he was just too tired. Oh, right now, Xiaojing, she looked away. Right now, the little kid seems to be. Xiaojing, are you feeling uncomfortable? Well, Xiaojing, she looked at the little kid. No, I'm fine. Go back to China. I can also take you to see your mother. Little kid seems to be happy. Hearing the news about Suhishi, Xiaojing got really worried and she go back to China. Little kid seems to be excited. She can also see her mother. Well, the two of them are really rushing through. Rushed to the airport and went back to the China. Take a flight. Well, Xiaojing, she really loves Suhishi, but also take a bow. It was China seeing airport. Together with the young kid, Suhishi, she was whispering on herself and said to her that I'm back. Well, probably she go back right now because of the news. Well, can she really want to see her? Suhishi, at this moment, she was seizing. The sudden situation, her heart skipped and beats faster. Oh, Suhishi said it was nothing. Right now, she's rubbing her chest. Well, let's hope there's no more heart attack then. The song Lishan. Well, this girl is really mischievous right now. Don't worry, I'll be fine. Suhishi moved back. Just have a strange premonitions. I just feel right now that it's just like she has come back. Well, definitely she was right. Xiaojing is already back. Hey guys, thanks for supporting. Jocelyn, Ashi, and Yaris, thanks for the support. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And do comments and turn on the notification bell to keep you posted on my daily updates. Hey guys, membership is already open. For those who want to join, you can join by clicking the join button or you can directly support me via Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye!